Welcome to Planet Kiki. Planet Kiki. Planet Kiki. Kiki. Kiki.
Hey guys, welcome to Planet Kiki. Today I'm showing you how to experiment with temporary tattoos, aka looking like a snack, aka looking like Rihanna. And my girl London V from Hustle and Flow. Okay, anyway, these are the tattoos I purchased from Shein for the price of $3. So we're beginning by cutting around the images. I'm using sharp scissors, and I'm also being very careful not to interfere with the other tattoos on the paper. I selected these pussy willows. They're wild, they're free, and I really enjoy the aesthetic of this plant. The other images I selected are butterflies, my number one favorite. I tried to choose butterflies in different sizes so that they're noticeable from far distances, which is really important because they're temporary tattoos. Anyway, once you are done, figure out exactly where you want to experiment with the placement of these tattoos. That's the advantage of temporary tattoos. Look how gorgeous and real they look on my skin. Yes. Alright, so step 1. Remove the plastic from the paper. Only do this when you're ready and not before. Step 2. Place the image side down on your skin. Grab a damp paper towel and press firmly. It honestly took me 15 seconds. However, if you need to hold longer, please do. Easy peasy. Alright. Now I repeat steps 1 to 4. Just like that. It's easy, guys. You're welcome. So this is how they look close up. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. Can I get a round of applause? The final result is cool and they look great on darker complexions, which is a plus. Alright guys, now for the updates. On day 2, aka 18 hours after I originally put on these temporary tattoos, you could see the tattoo is slightly rubbing off. I believe it's because they're on my finger, which is constantly bending. Overall, it's holding up pretty fine. Okay, day 3, aka 20 hours from the last time I filmed my video. Everything is wearing off. The tattoos on the side of my hands are noticeably gone. However, the tattoos on the middle and solid part of my hand are still in place, so that's a plus. Next, tips. Yes, give me your money. Okay, so first, choose where you'll place these tattoos before doing anything. Because they're temporary, you want to make sure you enjoy where they are on your body. Next, don't do anything before the tattoos dry, or all your effort will go to waste. Next, take a shower. This is obvious, but you want longevity of those tattoos. As you saw on my skin, the temporary tattoos don't last long on parts of your body that have lines and crevices, so please be careful. Lastly, you better flaunt. Live out your edgy bad gal fantasies. Alright, bye guys. Stay tuned in.